Okay guys, this is just a quick video on how to find an exhaust. In this case, I'm using it to deal with a catalytic converter 420 code. A catalytic converter 420 code can be caused by an oxygen sensor, it can be caused by a catalytic converter, or it can be caused by an exhaust leak, okay? So I'm suspecting an exhaust leak. So Hoover's rigged up to here, and off we go. All right, now, as you can see, okay, so I've already pre-done this. All right, so you can see it pretty clearly there as it's leaking out. And then up here, in our case for the 420 code, in our case right there is where our problem is. And you can actually see it leaking out up there. Okay, so once you have that leak that's in and around an oxygen sensor, it's pulling in air into the oxygen sensor and skewing it. Okay.